FPSC lecturer past papers. Vocabulary portion: abate means reduce, meticulous means very careful, benevolent means kind, lucid means clear, curtail means shorten, plausible means believable, hostile means aggressive, legaritic means lazy, ambiguous means unclear, scarcity means shortage, जिस चीज़ की कमी हो. Grammar: he has been working here since 2015. Has been working. Neither of the boys is present. She is senior to me. He did not agree to my proposal. Each of the students was rewarded. He insisted on paying. The teacher, along with students, was. I prefer tea to coffee. He is not accustomed to hard work. No sooner did he arrive than. To beat about the bush means avoid the point. Once a blessing is disguised means hidden good. At 11th hour, last moment. Tenacious means persistent. Frugal means economical. Candid means honest. Eloquent means fluent, जो मतलब बात करता है अच्छे से. Apathy means indifference. Alleviate means relief. Dilemma means problematic choice. Uljan. Resilient means quick to recover. Eminent means about to happen. Obsolete means outdated. Prudence means wisdom. Akalmand. Tedious means boring. Enigma means mystery. Boisterous means noisy. Grammar: she had left the office before I arrived. तो ये पास्ट पहले होगा, बाद में भी पास्ट आएगा. He is fond of music. Found के साथ. Neither he nor I am to blame. The news is very shocking. She succeeded through hard work. He is married to my cousin. The teacher asked me to remain quiet. He ran after the thief. Bread and butter is his breakfast. She looks like her mother. Sentence correction: he is good at mathematics. I am tired of waiting. The patient died of cancer. He was accused of theft. She is proud of her success. He was prevented from entering the room. From के बाद ing वाली गिरंड फॉर्म आती है. I am looking forward to meeting you. He has no interest in politics. She insisted on speaking. He apologized for his mistakes. To nip in the bud, stop early, जड़ से ख़त्म करना. In hot water means in trouble, मुश्किल हालात में. By hook or crook, by any means, किसी भी तरह से. To make ends meet means live within income, मुश्किल से गुजारा करना. Spill the beans, reveal secret. Elusive means difficult to catch. Hinder, obstruct. Novice, beginner, मेरी तरह. Rigorous, strict, trivial. Minor, explicit, clear. Monotonous, dull. Plausible, impossible. Foster, encourage. Inevitable means unavoidable, जिसको अवॉइड ना किया जा सकता, टाला ना जा सकता. Hardly had he arrived when the phone rang. He behaves as if he were arking. तो ये इसकी फॉर्म मतलब है तो सिंगुलर लेकिन आएगा प्लूरल में ही. She is one of those girls who work hard. The committee has announced its decision. It would rather die than beg. मांगने से बेहतर है मर जाना. He is inferior to me in rank. She has been ill since Monday. The train arrived on time. He deals with people politely. Deals with. He succeeded because of his honesty. He took off his coat. Took off उतारना. She ran out of money. Money उसकी कम हो गई, पैसे कम हो गए उसको. The judge passed down the sentence. जारी करना. He gave up smoking. तर्क करना. The rumor turned out to be false. To add fuel to fire means make worse. Battareen, battar hona. At daggers drawn means hostile. To burn midnight oil, work late. Apple of one's eye favorite. In black and white means written, जो लिखत लिखत में मिलता है. He is immune to criticism. She abstained from voting. He was deprived of his rights. She complied with the rules. He is capable of doing this. Credible means believable. Arbitrary means random. Concise means brief. Hostility means enmity. Scrutinize means examine closely. He was charged with murder. She excels in dancing. He abstains from smoking. From के बाद पहले भी बताया ing वाली फॉर्म आती है. She is keen on learning. He parted from. A man of letters means scholar. Rank and file means common members. To hold one's tongue, remain silent. To smell a rat means suspect something wrong. To face the music means accept consequences. He was astonished at the news. She has no control over her temper. He was absorbed in his work. He was absorbed in his work. She takes